Hi, welcome back to another installment of monetizing my irresponsible spending habits. In today's episode, we're gonna be unboxing the brand new iPhone 13 mini. Also, I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I got a lot of stuff coming, so don't worry. And for now, let's get into this unboxing. All right, so here is the box. As you can see, I went for product red, and let's get this thing opened. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Holy wow. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is actually home. Wow. Also, side note, usually with Apple products, the plastic goes all the way around, but this time around, it's just on the front cover. So, I mean, let's just take it off. Okay, before I start giving my thoughts on this, I'm just gonna put this to the side and let's see what else comes in the box. So over here we got your standard Lightning to USB-C cable, and of course the designed by Apple in California paperwork with that product red sticker. And as we all know, no charging brick in the box. All right, and just for some context, this is my iPhone 10, which is my daily driver, and this is the 13 mini. So on my hand, this is, you know, it's got some size, right? But this guy is tiny, and I've got to be honest, I kind of love it. I mean, you guys already knew that I tested and reviewed the iPhone 12 mini, which you should definitely check out. And ooh, new animation. That's, I believe, iOS 15 right there. All right, so initial impressions, I'm gonna be honest, I can already tell that the notch is actually smaller. It's not huge, and I definitely get what people mean by, you know, it's not actually like a useful amount smaller, but you can tell that it is in fact smaller. And apart from the fact that I absolutely love this product red color, what I'm actually noticing is that the camera itself is actually way bigger. Like, I definitely remember from the 12 mini that the cameras were not this big. This square was not as big. So I'm definitely excited to test out these new cameras with the new sensors to see what difference that actually makes. You know, I'm gonna be honest, I thought I was gonna hate the fact that the lenses themselves were diagonal, but it's kind of growing on me. Shout out to Apple for making it so easy to set up new iPhones, because trust me, when I'm setting up a new Mac, it is not this seamless. All right, so the data transfer is complete, and just finishing up my first impressions. Firstly, love the size of this phone. The fact that it just fits in my hand so perfectly, it's awesome. Second thing, this color. This color, I honestly did not expect it to look this good in person, but I'm a huge fan of this product red, and you know, it's also low-key supporting a good cause, so there's also that. And the last thing is this camera. Like, it's really surprising how much bigger it is, so I'm really expecting the quality to be that much better. Super excited, obviously, for the cinematic mode. Can't wait to get my hands on that. And if there's anything else that you guys would like me to test out for the final review of this product, be sure to let me know, as I'd love to inform you guys about that. So if you've enjoyed this unboxing, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.